Ah, it's quite satisfying. All right, I bought myself a dirty old quad. It's all faded out. I've got some carburetor issues. I'm going to weld up an intake. I'll show you guys that, but I'm just going to show you this is kind of satisfying. This is just so faded. It's like almost pink. So this is what I got here. Check this out. Ah, it's quite satisfying. It's like about the same speed as paint. I didn't even wipe it off, didn't clean it off, didn't do anything. And it's not like perfect, but it's pretty good.